I'm going to show you a website that you can use to make up to $7,500 per month working from home. Before I give you the details in this video, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing. If you're looking for ways and means of using the internet to make money, working from home, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. So like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Thumbs up will go a long way because YouTube will share this video with more people like you. Thank you very much. So without wasting any more of your time, my friend, let me take you to this website that you can use to make up to $7,500 every month with no experience. You set your own time and you start to earn from anywhere working from home. The website I'm talking about is called studpool.com. So it says micro tutoring, online tutoring help from verified tutors 24/7 on demand, or get access to over 20 million study documents from the NotBank. This has been featured in the Entrepreneur, Forbes, TechCrunch, NASDAQ, Inc., the HuffPost. What this website does is that it pays people for answering some questions. Millions of students from all over the world who come to this website asking some questions on their homework. And then now the way you're going to make money is that you come and then you just answer those questions and you collect some money, up to $7,500 per month. And some of the subjects, the featured subjects are here: rocket science, linear algebra, chemical engineering, macroeconomics, mathematics, programming, science, humanities, business, writing. Studpool only works with the highest quality tutors. Our tutors are vetted for subject expertise and hold degrees such as bachelor's, master's, and PhDs. Many of our tutors are affiliated with top-tier educational institutions. So if you've got a bachelor's degree, you've got master's, you've got PhD, you can make a lot of money on this website, as you are going to see in a minute. Browse over 20 million study documents by students from hundreds of universities in 150 countries. Featured study guides, video tutoring. We've helped millions of students, 12 million questions answered, and 4 million documents unlocked. This is the front dashboard of this website where anyone can see, especially those who are looking for help. But where the money is through that button. You just click where it says become a tutor. And it says earn money for answering homework questions. Earn up to $7,500 monthly working from home tutoring students. All right. So we've seen that there are so many different subjects, and we can see the subjects right here: business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, health and medical, economics, engineering, computer science, law, foreign languages. You know Arabic, Chinese, French, Hindi, Russian, Spanish, Latin, Japanese, right? You can enroll on this website and you start to teach some students who want to know more about those languages, right? If you go to engineering, you can just click and find out industrial design, environmental engineering, engineering, electrical engineering, data engineering, construction, information technology, mechanical engineering, software engineering. All the engineering is here. What about economics? Developmental economics, economics, finance, game theory, growth theory, information economics, international economics, macroeconomics, microeconomics, You can go on and on and on and see algebra, applied mathematics, arithmetic, calculus, cryptography, differential equations, linear algebra, trigonometry, statistics, probability, numerical analysis, and so forth. If you know a bit of this, and I'm sure that if you've got a degree of some sort, you can come here and enroll and you start to collect some money, all right? So depending on what you want and your efforts, you can make some good money, up to $7,500 per month using this website. Why tutor on StudPool? There are many reasons to make StudPool your go-to source for online tutoring work. Why? Because we would like to give our tutors what they earn, right? And then reliable income. Make good money using nothing more than your knowledge and your keyboard. Choose when to work and where you want to work from. There is no boss, there is no office, there is no quotas. Create your own schedule, right? So look at some of the recent questions here. And that first question is paying $15 by just answering a psychology question, and you collect $15. What about that one? It's about medical, nursing, $80 by answering one question. What about that one? Original upbeat instrumental song for a marketing video, right? This is about music and composition, $150. That one is economics. It's module 01, problem sets, $35. That's in economics. What about that one? $90 in business. A statement from one of the tutors: I have experience as a tutor, especially in the sciences and medicine, for over 4 years. My other fields of knowledge include history, Excel, essays, writing, and psychology. I always help students in a timely manner. StudPool really differentiates itself from other sites because it keeps me engaged with their bidding system and with their responsive team. So these are the countries which you can sign in from. You can sign in from Canada, from India, from Indonesia, from Malaysia, from Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Zambia, USA, Ukraine, South Africa, Philippines. The highest earners, Henry, has earned $494,000. What about Robert? $355,000. What about that one? $300,000, $200,000, $168,000. Right, and these are some of the recent posts, recent press. If you check the real ways, it says make up to 6 figures as a StudPool tutor. Who is eligible to sign up as a StudPool tutor? Anyone can be a StudPool tutor, but you will need to submit an application and pass the thorough vetting process. It takes a bit of effort, but it's worthwhile if you are serious about earning good money. All right. So anyway, you see, money cannot just be presented in a platter, right? You have to go through some process of some sort. And it says, how much can you earn tutoring for StudPool? StudPool's top earning tutors make well over 100 grand per year. But your StudPool earnings will vary according to how much work you are willing to do. So it depends on how much effort you want to put in, right? And that's straightforward. How does StudPool send payments? StudPool gives tutors several options for receiving payments. Currently, the options are TransferWise, Payoneer, Western Union, and PayPal. So this is easy PayPal money that you can get, my friend. Is there a set schedule with StudPool? There isn't. That's one of the best things about this site. It's definitely one of those login and work whenever you want opportunities. Could you get ripped off using StudPool? No, This is because StudPool actually accepts the money from the students before you ever answer the question, and then holds it until the question has been answered satisfactorily. Fantastic. Okay, so how do you start tutoring for StudPool? If you are interested in becoming StudPool tutor, you can go here and you can then click that button to apply, or you can go to their website and then you sign up right there and you go through the process, right? So let's go to Rat Race Rebellion. Rat Race Rebellion, they've got their own article right here. Your knowledge is value. Make up to $7,500 monthly as a tutor with StudPool. No experience necessary. Fantastic. Okay, no experience necessary. Set your own hours and from anywhere. Okay, and you can see also the ratings that even Trustpilot, they've got 4 stars out of 5. 4 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot, which is very good, because you see, Trustpilot is one of the reputable sites where you can check reviews of any company which you're dealing with. If you want to see whether a company is legit or it's not, check the reviews on Trustpilot, okay? And then you can go forward with confidence. Fantastic. So you can become a tutor, and what do you need to know? We ask the foxes StudPool some questions to get details that we know are important to you, okay? And these are the questions you can find out from this website, which is called Rat Race Rebellion. This is another website talking about StudPool, single mom's income. Say 4 tips to make money quickly as a StudPool tutor. And then you can read what they're saying right there. So you can see that there are so many people, so many sites talking good things about this website, and that people are in 6 figures working from home on this website. So this is how you can make up to $7,500 per month, my friend, using StudPool. And the good thing is that you're working from home, you are your own boss, there is no timetable, you just set your own time, and that is very good. If you want to know one of the best ways of making money online on AutoPilot, check my #1 recommendation in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you found value in this video, let's have some thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next videos.